building levels for VR. Level design is one of the most important aspects of all games, but are critically important for things like VR. Being able to create environments that work with scope, that feel like an actual environment that you could potentially be in, while also guiding the player where to go, while also making it not obvious that you are telling them where to go, is an art as much as a science, and there's a lot of information that we can be particular topic, some of which can warrant an entire book just dedicated to doing level design. While we can't talk about every little thing within this video series, I think it's a good idea to get an idea of how to build levels quickly, to then be able to iterate upon them and create interesting events, which is what we are going to be tackling in this section. In this first video, we are going to be learning how to add the ProBuilder package to our project. ProBuilder is an excellent tool for prototyping levels and allows you to generate geometry for a level without having to dive into another third-party software like 3ds Max, Maya, or Blender, and still create an environment that can be quite interesting. Now, before we can actually use ProBuilder, we have to actually include it inside our project. Now, ProBuilder used to be a asset that you would have to download from the asset store, but recently Unity has purchased the team that worked on ProBuilder, and so it's possible for us to just add ProBuilder to our project making use of the package manager. We're brought to the following window. From there, you'll see a large number of available things that we can use with our project. One, we can either scroll down to be able to find it here. In this case, you'll see ProBuilder is here. Or you can click up here at the top and start typing in the word Pro, and you'll see it here as well. So once this has been selected, go ahead and click on the Install button, and it should add everything that we need to the project. Once it's finished downloading, you should see a little check mark to the right of its name. And just to verify that it is working, we can close out of here. And now you should be able to go to Tools, and then under ProBuilder, you should see a section called ProBuilder Window. You should see something like this pop up, and if you do, you'll know that ProBuilder has been successfully installed.